Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. In this one we're going to cover A&E tendencies and emergency admissions. So we've got data going all the way back to November 2010. There's 108,000 rows so far. These are the tables, and I've queried the ones apart from this one which has been replaced by this one for you to look at. So first of all, A&E attendances and emergency admission monthly footprint. That is the data you can see here by provider, and these are the columns. Then we've got A&E attendances and emergency admission monthly STP level, or now ICB level. We've used the same table because that was literally the only change, and they're the same level in the hierarchy. So you can see what that is, and there's the headings. Then we've got A&E attendances and emergency admissions monthly. And those are the headings. A&E attendances and emergency booked appointments. So it's just a few headings there. And A&E attendances and emergency non-booked appointments. And there's all these headings. That's that, thanks.